Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a searchlight-style title video using only Canva. It's super easy and fun to try. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and create a new project like this. For example, in this tutorial I use the landscape poster, but you can choose any other size you prefer. Now just type in your text. You can write anything you like. And then choose any font and adjust the size and positions. Make sure it's clear and bold so the effect looks good later. Maybe like this. Next, just pick a font color you like. Just remember this color because we will use it again later for the background. But in this tutorial, I will use black color, just like this. Now go to elements and search for lights or spotlight. And then pick one that looks like a beam or glow. Choose a color that contrasts your text. And then I will adjust the positions to make it under the phone like this. And then go to animate and then click on create an animation. Now just animate the movement of the light so it sweeps across your text like a real searchlight like this. And once your animation is done, change the background color to match your text color. On this way, the text will blend in and becomes invisible and only shows up when the searchlight passes over it like this. Now, let's preview your animations. And that's it, a simple searchlight style text animations made completely in Canva. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.